एंड पिक्चर खत्म हुई यार और हम लोग मुंह छुपा रहे थे बिकॉज मेरी आंखें लाल हो गई थी. आई हैड रेड आईज लाइक दिस फुल. आई हैड बीन क्राइंग फॉर द लास्ट 10 minutes of that film. And I just didn't want to, show myself to the world like that. And, I was feeling like this is a very private moment. I want to be alone,
Someone called me Vidya.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's like, and they were like samosa.
So that's why when I saw the original, I kept crying. I was uncontrollably sobbing. And
Yeah, my sister told me.
yeah, I was just really, because it hits you.
And especially Tabriz Noorani was my director of my first movie. He picked me up and he actually picked me up from that folder which said TV actors.
Also, we never had the opportunities
You
like
didn't,
you're saying.
exactly.
I mean, people
No,
just
people
feel
wouldn't know
like
that.
People don't know
people
that.
think about it like that. But I think people can sense the fact that, I mean, we didn't really get a launch or like that. Okay, thank you.
So yeah, I'm
I love you.
biased.
Improve your taste. I love you.
There were times where I was treated in a certain way, and I reached home and I was crying, and I told my parents that I don't like this. They said, Mrunal, 10 years, think about 10 years down the line, okay? People would look at you and get so inspired that if that girl could make it, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ यार.
I'm actually joined by two actors. One who I've loved watching all my life and who has potentially been the best actor from this generation, and one who's potentially the best actor from the current lot of actors. Join me for a conversation are Shahid Kapoor and Mrunal Thakur, only on Bollywood Bubble. How have you guys been?
Fabulous.
Bye.
Listen, I have to tell you that there's one thing common between the two of you. It's my love for both of you. I feel that whenever something good happens to you, it's a lot more personal. Whenever something bad happens to you, it also is a lot more personal. I feel so happy seeing both of you together in a film like Jersey. It's a film that would have come with a lot of comparisons, because it's already made in a certain language. And, there's a loyal, anal audience who's waiting to nitpick and find इसमें क्या problem hai. I have a sister who loves watching South films, and she told me that you guys are fabulous in the promo. And for me, that is the validation I need, How many times have you heard this?
We love your sister, bro.
Yeah.
Love your sister.
You better love me also.
We love you a lot.
That goes without saying.
Yeah.
But I want to know that how many times have you heard this after the promo, and when you were doing it, people make you feel that, there is a pressure. Did you feel that at all?
I did not feel any pressure. In fact, I was in Hyderabad 3-4 days ago, and the kind of comments and feedback that I was getting was.
ये तूने मुझे भी नहीं बताया.
हाँ, I didn't
I am
tell you.
suddenly I'm like,
just
अरे ये
मुझे
तो
याद
she's not
आ
told
गया
me
यार.
this.
मुझे seriously, there was a news article which my producer sent me, and they said people are really loving the trailer of Jersey, and there was also he was reading the article, and they said that Shahid has already set the benchmark so high in the trailer. We can't wait to watch the movie. So imagine if Telugu audience, people from Hyderabad are so excited of a movie which they've already seen, which is it's a win-win. I mean, I was really happy. Shahid, I can't tell you that feeling when someone called me Vidya. I was like, what? This is like, yes.
This is the biggest validation.
This is the biggest validation. Someone called me Vidya.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's like, and they were like samosa.
What about you?
I've already done one before this, and it was
Which was
a very
a humongous
yeah, and
success.
also even the original film Arjun Reddy was, it was a cult film, and it had a following which was people very intensely passionate about the film, So I actually was introduced to that whole thing during that film, and I was like, bro, like hard vibes hai yaar. Matlab, the people are like really intense, and thankfully before I did the film I didn't know कि ऐसा इतना ज़्यादा है, right?
True.
Because हम मुंबई में रहते हैं, we are not so deeply connected, but I actually appreciate that, I love loyal supporters, I love people who are loyal to me. I know I have done some films which are not so nice, and they still fight for me, and I deep down know कि यार ये picture अच्छी नहीं है, but people are still fighting for me. So
I fight for Dilbol Harry Paul, so let me just tell you that. This was his reaction when I told him this, by the way. He was watching and I just told him it.
ठीक है, thank you.
So yeah,
I love you.
biased.
Improve your taste. I love you. So anyways, what I was saying is that No, so you know, so I love the fact that people feel so passionately about a film and that they have so much of an ownership over it that it's almost like their own child or
Yeah.
their own family member. You know, because that's why we all love movies. You know, that's the
Yeah.
reason we all
All
love
love
movies
movies.
because it draws that kind of a reaction out of you. So it's actually a compliment to the original film, the original filmmaker, the original story, the original characters, the performers. You know, and I am doing this film because I love the original as well. You know, so
Yeah.
I'm one of those people.
Yeah.
It's just that because I'm an actor and I have the opportunity to take it to a wider audience, I'm exercising that opportunity. I'm taking that forward because I feel that the heart of the story and what it says deserves to go to as many people as
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah.
Because I remember how I felt after seeing it and how much it did for me emotionally. You know, so I want to share that experience with more people, and that's the reason why I've done Jersey.
You know, Jersey is also about dreams, passion, and ambition. In both your lives, you know, this has been something very important. The three things that I mentioned. Now, although Dil Bole Harippa, I will again say because there's a line in Dil Bole Harippa which
You
reminds
pagal
me.
hai.
That.
You know, no, अभी याद आया एक लाइन आता है जहाँ पे रानी मैम says that you know किसी के जल्दी किसी के थोड़े देर से but सपने सभी के पूरे होते हैं. You know, there has been a time, Shahid, where there was a low phase professionally, but when you see, but you've never actually acted in a bad film, like you've never been bad in a film. And there was a time in your phase when you were subject to a lot of criticism, judgment, judgy eyes. Then your first film that had a different journey of its own, and I love that film. Love Sonia is a wonderful film. Finding it difficult to release the movie. Today, when you both are in successful positions, do you really feel that you've manifested it?
I want
And
to
how
ask
do
you
do
this
that?
question, Nayandeep. Now that you're sitting on that interviewer's chair after all those years that you have waited for these
You've actually
opportunities, how do
seen
you
us
feel?
go through
Yeah.
that phase. So what?
So you know, I mean, basically we're all in the same boat in life, dude. Like we all have our dreams, we all have our aspirations, we all have our struggles.
Yeah.
You know. So I don't think it is nice to indulge in self-pity. I think that's the most dangerous thing
Yeah.
any
True,
human being
true.
can do. Because the only thing it does is it takes you down. It doesn't help you deal with the situation. But it's beautiful to share those struggles. It's beautiful to know that it's possible, you know, and to believe. If you believe, a lot of things are possible.
Okay.
You know, I don't want to say something very like that कि अरे ओ यार ये तो सिर्फ बोलने की बातें होती हैं. Really, if you truly believe and if you persevere, a lot of things in life are possible.
True.
And I mean, I am speaking from experience. I'm sure she has had her journey. I'm sure you've had your journey. I'm sure he has had his journey, and you know, everybody in this room has had those moments. And I guess that's what cinema is about, right? It's about taking those stories out there which everybody can relate to. And I think the heart of Jersey is that.
That,
right?
absolutely.
So you know, so that's why when I saw the original, I kept crying. I was uncontrollably sobbing, and
Yeah, my sister told me.
yeah, I was just
that
really,
please
really.
be careful.
I was because it hits you, you know. So I had to share this. I hope we've been able to do justice to the film, but the story is so beautiful
Yeah,
that it deserves to be
wonderful
taken
story.
forward. You know?
Wonderful
And I
story.
connected with it deeply, and it's pretty much like what you said that you know you have to go through all phases of your life,
If,
you know,
Yeah.
and you know.
can I add to your question?
Of course.
I want to really thank all the people who I met. Not just judge them. Unko to thank you so that I got like charged up, but thank the people who gave me an opportunity, who had immense faith, and especially Tabriz Noorani was my director of my first movie. He picked me up, and he actually picked me up from that folder which said TV actors. So I want to say thank you to all these directors, the people who have always prayed for me and who have always pushed me, because there are times where you want to give up. And till today, I feel like it is very necessary for you to have people around you who are honest.
Yeah.
When it comes to Jersey, we all need that one push, that coach, you know.
Yeah.
And this film is going to be, it's just so relatable, so that you will be able to find that person who did not stand by you, or you would know that ये मेरी ज़िंदगी में ये इंसान है जिसने मुझे एक push दिया और मुझे थोड़ा feel, he just made me feel better about who I am and what I'm passionate about. So yeah, this film is very special because many scenes that I have played in the movie. In fact, the scenes with Shahid and Pankaj sir, they are so beautiful, and you would just be able to relate it. I was sitting in that chair and I was sobbing, and I was happy. The bond, the relationship between the coach and Arjun, the relationship between Arjun and his son, and Arjun and his wife. Why are they the way they are? There is a reason, and it is a slice of life. Everyone goes
It's a
through
human
that.
drama, very nice.
It goes through ups and downs, and what matters is how you how you live your life.
You know what I love about this film is that usually when you make emotional films, they can sometimes make you feel low.
Talk.
You know, but in this film, it is a celebration of that
yeah.
emotion.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you
Of all
don't
kinds of
you
emotions,
don't
actually.
you feel uplifted. You know, that is very rare.
Yeah.
In these kind of films, it's very rare to find a film which gives you an uplifting experience, even though you're emotional.
Yeah.
You know, I remember I felt like that when I saw Tare Zameen Pe.
Yeah.
You know, I remember, you know, I was already an actor by then, and I went to watch it in PVR. I still remember on those recliners. And picture खत्म हुई यार, और हम लोग मुंह छुपा रहे थे, because मेरी आंखें लाल हो गई थी. I had red eyes like this, full. I had been crying for the last 10 minutes of that film, and I just didn't want to, you know, show myself to the world like that. And you know, I was feeling like this is a very private moment. I want to be alone. You know. So I think some of the best films that one watches and one has done, you know, they bring those memories to you, and you know, if you get to be a part of a story which has that potential, it feels very special.
You know, one more thing that connects to everybody from the trailer, and of course it connects all of us, like you said, is the middle class emotion.
Yes.
You know, हम लोग कुछ भी हो जाए, कहीं पे भी चले जाए life में, but we've all started off from that humble background. Before I come to you, because I have a lot to say, you know, I spoke to Nilima ma'am, and she's somebody who I absolutely love. Such a wonderful human being, and I told her that, you know, I see so much of her in you. You're living her dream as well. That's what she told me, that there are so many things that I couldn't do in my life, and I'm so happy to see both my sons go and do it. Nobody ever talks about Shahid and Ishan when they talk about you know, somebody having a family or a backing ever, matlab, in a bad light, because of your performances, because of the way you've touched people's lives. Do you see that
But
change?
also, we never had the opportunities,
You
like
didn't,
you're saying.
exactly.
I mean, people
No,
just
people
feel
wouldn't know
like
that.
People don't know
people
that.
think about it like that. But I think people can sense the fact that, I mean, we didn't really get a launch or like that. I mean, you know.
No, man, you also, you know, your formative years were not so easy, like when it comes to finances. That's what she had told me, and same for you. You know, you're living your mom and dad's and your siblings' dreams. Today, when they put out videos and pictures of you signing a film and them getting so excited, I completely understand, because that's what happens usually at home. They celebrate each other, right? Even at your home, you're celebrating each other.
Yeah, I mean, for us, it's just, you know, we are a home full of artists.
Yeah.
You know, my mom is a very humble person. You know?
Yeah,
she was
is.
actually on the stamp of India at the age of 16.
Yes.
You know, as a classical Kathak dancer, an exponent of you know, of Indian dance, who was traveling, you know, internationally. She used to go to Russia and perform with the Bolshoi, and you know, so when she was very young when I was born. I was only she was only 20, 21 when I was born. And so I used to travel a lot with her as a kid. I was like 4, 5 years old, and I traveled with her. And you know, I have seen her in her prime, and then also, even though she might not have done mainstream Hindi films, she was very popular when she started. She did this show called Phir Wahi Talash,
Yes.
where she played a character called Shehnaz,
Yes.
and she was tremendously loved. You know, so एक चीज़ तो ये होती है कि आप एक बड़ी पिक्चर में बड़े पर्दे पे बहुत सारे लोगों को दिख गए, उसकी वजह से लोग आपको पहचानने लगे और आप फेमस हो गए. एक ये होता है कि आपने छोटे पर्दे पे एक ऐसी चीज़ की जो शायद बहुत सारे लोगों ने नहीं देखी हो, लेकिन जिसने भी देखी वो आपको देख के पागल हो गए. यू नो, दे जस्ट कम्प्लीटली लव्ड यू. यू नो, तो मुझे उस चीज़ में ज़्यादा मेरिट दिखता है. यू नो, बिकॉज दिस अचीवमेंट ऑफ बीइंग सीन ऑन अ वाइडर स्क्रीन, it's the opportunity which is larger than the talent. But those people who have like a limited opportunity, but they have loved so much, that is actual talent. So, you know, like
True.
my mom in something like that, my dad when he did Karamchand, I remember, you know, people just went crazy. And it was just a normal show on TV, you know. So I think those guys went beyond the opportunity that they were given. They were able to rise above the limitation that that opportunity provided them, and then they made something for themselves. You know, so I feel very fortunate. I feel when I started my career, it was because I got a film which released in the big screens. I thought I was okay in my first film. You know, these my parents were like, you know, very very talented people who were exceptional at a very early age. I don't think I was exceptional at an early age. I think I'm getting to my best now. You know. So.
What about you, Mrunal?
What?
Because you know, when you come from a middle class family, dreams are all that you have.
You know, yeah, and I don't want to change that.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, I'm so happy that a lot of people have told me, Mrinal, you are in this industry. You better shift to Bandra or Khar or wherever. But I live far, far away. Powai. And so I feel like when I go home, when I enter that house, it's my dad's house. And I am his daughter. I'm not an actor or a star or whatever. I still do the regular things and I take it's simple things and I really enjoy that. And I feel like they are actually responsible for me being the way I am and the kind of choices I make and the decisions I make in my life.
The person you are.
The person that I am and the fact that I never gave up because they were always there. उन्होंने डैड मुझे हमेशा कहते कि सबको सब कुछ नहीं मिलता लेकिन कुछ कुछ सबको ज़रूर मिलता है. So you just be happy with what you get, and I really don't want to change that. Yeah, I really want. No matter how exhausted or tired I am, I like to go back home. I travel 1.5 hours away, and when I go home, when my mom opens the door for me, and the first thing is she asks me, "Khichdi banavli, khanar ka?" You know, that is so
that
nice.
Is the beauty and
yeah, like my parents are very. Khichdi you like? Done. Done. Sadi khichdi with tup and all. Done.
But tikha mat dana.
No, sadi khichdi. Sadi is like no spice.
Promise.
Done. Promise. So sadi khichdi, loncha and papad. Tomorrow that's the menu.
But I want to ask both of you that you know, in the movie there's a beautiful scene where you are taking money from her.
Not taking, stealing.
अरे यार तुम लोगों ने तो पिक्चर तो देखी नहीं, प्रोमो में 2 कट देख के तू कहानी बना रहे
हैं. नहीं, I'm just saying, I'm relating it. I'm saying, has there ever been a moment in life where you wanted something? Today you have everything, more than what you must have even thought of or imagined. But were there ever moments where you thought like, I want this and I can't get it because you want the jersey and you don't have the money to get it? So has there ever been moments like that?
Many.
Yeah, many.
For me, my first...
And I don't feel like glorifying it. It's like we all go through it.
We all go
it's
through
beautiful
that.
to want things and not be able to get them, because that's when you start
working for it,
appreciating what you have. Firstly,
yeah.
कि यार ये है मेरे पास, वो नहीं है, वो चाहिए. So you appreciate what you have.
You know, when I was starting my career, there were times where I was treated in a certain way, and I reached home and I was crying, and I told my parents that I don't like this. They said, Mrunal, 10 years, think about 10 years down the line, okay? People would look at you and get so inspired that if that girl could make it, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ यार. So I'm so thankful to my parents that जो चीज़ नहीं भी थी ना, my parents have taught me to work hard and get it. So I'm very thankful to them for that. There are a lot of women like Vidya I've seen who can slap their husband also.
Anybody who can provide some kind of platform can be targeted. You know, so whether that's an actor, whether that's a sports person, whether that's somebody who's very successful, could be corporate, could be this, could be that. But yeah, there is always that negative side to the position that you have, and it's very true for actors and for our fraternity, because it's just very easy to get any kind of footage. So that does happen. Sometimes it's unnecessary, sometimes it's fair. So you know, it depends from situation to situation which one feels appropriate, which one doesn't. But it is something that's happening very often, for sure.
But thank you for this conversation, and I have a feeling, and I know for sure that this movie is going to touch a lot of hearts. And hopefully we'll soon meet. Like I said, like
Yeah.
I'm waiting to do the round table just because of this movie. Let it
Yes,
release, and
thank you,
then
Nayan.
we'll do the round table because I'm pretty sure both of you are in the future.
Thank you.
Yay! I thank you so much. Your interviews are actually, I'm so happy that because of that question, I actually went in my memory lane, and it's really nice. And I actually went in that flashback. So I hope that this film,
Yaadein,
Yaad
Yaadein
Aati
hai.
But no, I just feel that we are so proud of both of you.
Thank
And I said,
you.
like I said,
Thank you.
everything you do will be a lot more
I
personal.
want to impress your sister after this film.
Yeah, I
She's
really
She's
want. I
She's
hope
like
she likes
she's
the
like
movie.
the
Please, I'm really looking forward to what your
I'll
sister
make her
thinks.
watch.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.